Welcome to the Ridge in Blaine. This brand new single-level home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style with no steps, making it ideal for easy living. Featuring 3 bedrooms, an open floor plan with tall ceilings, and modern finishes, including luxury vinyl plank flooring and quartz countertops, this home is designed for both elegance and functionality. Enjoy the outdoors on the covered back patio, or take advantage of the walking paths throughout the community. The yard comes equipped with a sprinkler irrigation system for low-maintenance care. Located in a prime area, this home offers everything you need for convenient living. $5,000 buyer credit available with our preferred lender, Becky Farrar at Evergreen Home Loans.